My video is about removing the fake and scary alerts that are related to the site yourlocaldatasecurity.com. Yourlocaldatasecurity.com is a dangerous website that tries to trick its visitors into subscribing to the web push notifications by making them click on Allow button. Also, these pop-ups display pretty scary and frustrating messages that try to make people think that something bad is happening with the computer and that they need to download and install some tool to get it fixed. As you can clearly see, the pop-up says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. But this information, of course, is absolutely faulty. The pop-up is not related to any decent security program. Instead, such pop-ups may be the trace of some adware in your computer. What you should do is to carefully check the control panel of your device, and if you see any suspicious programs here on the list, don't hesitate to remove them. Right-click on them and uninstall them in a regular manner. The adware that may display these strange and scary pop-ups may also be hidden deep in the system, so I recommend that you research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Combo Cleaner, by the way, will help you to automatically remove all these multiple annoying pop-up advertisements that you see in the right part of the screen. And it will also help you to fix some other browser-related issues. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your computer. With its help, Combo Cleaner will assist you in identifying and deleting all other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.